Hello guys, it's me, Sir Andy. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to please like and share this video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today, we are going to discuss dividing polynomials using long division. So, let us divide 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 by x plus 5. So first step, we need to write the dividend, which is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 23. Then next, followed by x plus 5 as our divisor. Then, we are going to divide 2x squared, the first term of our dividend, to the first term of our divisor. So we have the quotient equal to 2x. Then, next step, we are going to multiply 2x to the first term of the divisor, which is 2x times x. So the product is 2x squared. After that, we are going to multiply 2x by 5. So the product again is positive 10x. After this, we are going to subtract 2x squared plus 5x minus 2x squared plus 10x. So 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Then 5x plus 10x minus 10x is equal to negative 5x. Bring down negative 23. And then again, the same step as what we have in the first step. Negative 5x will be divided into x. And then we have the quotient negative 5. So let us multiply again. Negative 5 times x is equal to negative 5x. Then negative 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to negative 25. Then subtract again. We have negative 5x minus negative 5x is 0. Then negative 23 minus negative 25 is equal to positive 2. And then we have the quotient now, which is equal to 2x minus 5. And then our remainder is equal to positive 2. So we can also write the answer as follows. So we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 over x plus 5 equals 2x minus 5 plus 2 all over x plus 5. So from there, our 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 is our dividend. And our x plus 5 is the divisor. And then after that, we have the quotient, which is equal to 2x minus 5. And then the remaining terms, which is equal to 2 all over x plus 5, is our remainder. So that's it, guys. So we have already the division of polynomials using long division. So I hope you have something to learn. You have something learned from my video for today. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to please like and share my videos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.